Brilliant Confederate Generals. While the Union had far greater resources than the Confederacy, the South had brilliant generals, especially Thomas Stonewall Jackson and Robert E. Lee. These generals often outsmarted Union forces many times larger than their own. In 1862, Union General George McClellan hoped to capture the Confederate capital of Richmond, Virginia. McClellan planned to sail his troops to a place on the coast of Virginia to avoid the Confederate army in northern Virginia. At first, it seemed as though McClellan's plan would work. However, Stonewall Jackson was fighting so successfully in Virginia's Shenandoah Valley that extra Union troops had to be sent there. There was no help for McClellan. Robert E. Lee then badly defeated McClellan's forces at Richmond. Some people feared that the Confederates would now move on Washington, D.C. With each Confederate success, there was more pressure on Lincoln. Northerners had expected a swift, easy victory. It was beginning to look like the war might be long, and people began to question Lincoln's decision to fight. 4. Analyze the painting below of the Battle of Antietam. Write a newspaper headline to go with this painting. The Battle of Antietam. The Union needed a victory. It got one on September 17, 1862, at the Battle of Antietam. This battle was the single bloodiest day in the war. In the end, about 23,000 men lay dead or wounded, evenly divided between North and South. This horrific battle led Lincoln to make a decision that would change the war and the country. Got it? 5. Main idea and details. Fill in this chart. Identify the purpose or main idea of the Anaconda Plan. Then fill in details to show how the plan would work. 6. Write a short dialogue between Lincoln and Davis describing why they are willing to fight. 7. Identify the President of the Union and the President of the Confederacy.